What's up? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another episode. Today we're going to plant a little grass seed. Get started, I'm going to put a little more topsoil down. This fill dirt here, grass won't grow very well in it, so I'm going to throw a little topsoil on top of it. So let's get that started. Okay, now the next step, I'm going to take a rake and loosen it up a little bit, just so that the seeds have something to fall into. So we're going to make quick work of that. Took a little breath out of me. Now that I got that all done and everything softened up, ready to put some seed down. Got all the seed down. Now we need to water it in. Hopefully I got enough hose to reach out here. We'll see. that's about it. 3 easy steps. Put some topsoil down just so it had something better than this fill dirt to grow in, and I think that's going to be 4 steps. Then I smoothed it up a little bit, then I spread the seed, and then I watered it in. I'm not done watering it yet, but it's going to take a while, and I think you get the idea. Well, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.